November 954, taxi to Charlie Taxiway via Alpha 1. Advise when run-up is complete. Clearance is on request.
Okay, down to Charlie via Alpha 1 for 954.
Okay.
Are you around Robin today?
And that's affirmative for 954.
Roger.
OK， 我们来切换这个油箱 ，mixture full throttle。
November 954, are you calling early by chance?
I don't think I am.
OK， 来测试 magneto。
November 9, stand by.
Okay.
November 954, Georgetown ground. There's not a flight plan stored on you in the system. There is one on your company, 8405 Mike.
Okay.
Would it be possible to change the tail number on that flight plan?
Is that what happened? You're not taking somebody's flight plan, are you?
Negative, sir. Yeah, that aircraft was my primary, and now we're in the backup.
Okay, yeah, we'll get that changed to 43954.
正常光 Royal 7 Charlie, run complete, return taxi to runway 1A.
November 17 Charlie, Georgetown ground, taxi to runway 18 via Alpha.
Taxi to runway 1A via Alpha, 17 Charlie.